A maturity assessment is a framework how you can describe how a specific area of a business is performing according to a defined set of criteria. Now, here, the good thing is companies, organizations, businesses can rank low in certain areas or high in other areas, allowing you to tailor your advice. A maturity assessment itself is something that you can do on-site with your prospect, or it's something that they can take online, which will give you even more time to prepare how you're gonna pitch your solutions to them. Now, there are many different types of maturity models out there. And for this video, we're gonna be covering only two. One is the capability maturity model, and the other one is the Agile ISO maturity model. The capability maturity model is the original one. This one was created back in the 80s by the US Department of Defense, and it was created as a way of measuring what companies were ranking better in terms of their software development capabilities. Now, if you look at it, it was split in 5 different stages, from the first one being initial till the very last one being optimized. The first one, should you be falling on that bucket, will let you know that you were living among chaos, that there was little or no order around you. Whereas the last one, optimize, it means that you're already thinking about process improvement. You're already connecting the different areas and you were ready for the next stage. Now, always look at these capability models as a way of running that medical checkup, where you would need to see how you are today, understanding what you need to do in order to get to the next level, but as something that you would be needing to do on a regular basis, as not something that just happens once and that's it. Now, the issue with the CMM is that it's just a snapshot in time on how you're doing. So if you care about more dynamic variables, this would not be the ideal one to put into place. I'm talking about market dynamics, technologies, so on and so forth. Now for that, you would be taking a look at a different one. And that's where the Agile ISO maturity model comes in. This model can be applied to a broader range of business areas. And the reason for this is that it takes into account 3 specific elements. So the first one is, it is agile, which means that it can react much faster to changing variables. It can even encourage cross-department collaboration. Second one, ISO, which means that it takes into account standardization. And the third one, just the reason why we're mentioning it here is because it adds to the assessment a maturity model. Now, when you look at the stages, and again, here we're also talking about 5 different stages. The first one is documented, which means that the process itself has been documented and there is awareness among the different team members. On the other side of the spectrum, we have integrated, to a point where we are talking not only about a process that has created awareness, but that has created enough integrations among the different teams to start thinking about how to evolve, how to add even new sub-processes that link these core processes among each other.